third video in the versatile workshop system. Benchtop Vise. You don't want this thing mounted permanently anywhere. You want to be versatile. You want to be able to put it up and take it down, get it out of your way, use it when you need to, just like the bandsaw and the drill press. Just a super simple system mounted on 1.5 by 1.5 frame and clamped to the tabletop. Don't forget to put protectors on here. These edges are sharp. That way when the grandchildren come to visit, they won't hit their head on this, because they'll be super excited about what it is you're doing in the shop, and they'll be running around your table trying to figure it out. Anyways, it's a good system for not getting locked into a permanent vise system. Also, if you've ever wondered about how to clamp tubing in your vise, which you probably haven't, these are a pretty good way of doing it. Little blocks drilled to the pipe size, relieved so that they clamp down. This one's 1.5 inches. Just put your tubing in there, figure out where you want it, give it a little pressure, cut it off, cope it, drill it, file it, sand it, do whatever you need to do to it. That is a really good system for. Then you can make other ones, 5/8, 3/4, 1 inch. And for bigger tubing, you got 1.5 inches, 2, whatever size you need. Just build some clamps for it. And when you're done using your vise and you find that it's in the way, just stow it wherever you want it. And you got your table space back again. With Shop Talk, this is Paine, California.